Welcome back to the biology with you. Today we will discuss about spontaneous mutation, induced mutation and mutagenesis. So the spontaneous mutation is a type of mutation which occurs without any exposure to the mutagenic agents. It may occur due to the mispairing of bases during replication process. It may occur due to spontaneous deamination of bases. It may also occur due to the oxidation of bases. And on the other hand, the induced mutation is completely due to the exposure of mutagenic agents. Mutagens are referred to as any kind of chemical or physical agents that increases the frequency of mutation. So it may be radiation, it may be any chemical compound, it may be any biological compound. Induced mutations are divided into three types. Induced mutation, physical, induced mutation by these three types of mutagenic agents. The first one is physical mutagen. Physical mutagens are basically radiations and heats. So we will write down radiation and heat. Most of the radiations like X-rays, gamma rays and UV radiations are responsible for physical mutagenesis, and these kind of radiations are also called physical mutagens. There are two types of radiations, right, like ionizing and non-ionizing. X-ray is a ionizing radiation. Gamma ray is also a ionizing radiation, and on the other hand, UV ray, ultraviolet ray, IR, that means infrared rays, are example of non-ionizing radiations. These radiations interferes with the electrons, atoms, and here the UV ray, that is non-ionizing radiation, that not highly penetrating, but it can penetrate up to 2 layers of cells. It generally forms dimers with the pyrimidine bases, so it acts like that. Coming to the point of the chemical mutagens, there is lots of mutagens. Like base analogs, intercalating agents, alkylating agents, metal ions, and deaminating agents. We will discuss it with proper detail. And coming to the point of the biological mutagens, you can divide it in many points. I will show you some examples like virus, some bacteriophages maybe, transposomes, and bacteria are also acts as biological mutagen. We will discuss about these chemical agents with proper detail in next video. So please subscribe and hit the bell button, and feel free to share this video with others. Let others know about it, and stay tuned. Thank you.